everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you find yourself sometimes, just sitting like this, staying like this, with your neck outside, with your shoulders back, or just like this, and then your back hurts, your neck hurts? Well, this video is for you because it's good posture yoga sculpt to look and feel amazing in 2025 and always. So we're gonna start sitting down, crossing the legs, rooting down through our sit bones, just taking a moment to set an intention, taking a few deep breaths in and out. Inhaling, lifting the arms up. Exhaling, bringing the arms down. One more. Inhaling, lifting the arms up. You can close your eyes if you want to. Exhaling, bringing the arms down. And from here, we just start to do little circles with the neck. 1, 2, 4 times each direction. 3, and 4, and we change the direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We roll the shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bringing one arm next to the hip, inhaling, lifting the other arm up, exhaling, really stretching on the side. The great part is that this little workout for great posture, it is only laying down, so on the mat. Inhaling, lift up, exhale, stretch on the other side. Slowly come back to the center, roll the shoulders back, and just bring the arms in a T here. And from here, lift the arms up. 1, slowly bringing the arms shoulder level. 1, 2. You can either also, if you want, you can keep the legs straight, you can cross them, you can even stay in this position, whatever feels comfortable. 5 more. 5, 4, last 3. 3, 2 more. 2, and last 1. Rolling the shoulders back a few times, bringing one arm to the front, and the other arm just on top of the elbow, really stretching here the upper back. Always keeping the smile on. It's very important to stretch the muscles of the back, upper back as well, and also to strengthen them. And this is what we're doing in this short, sweet, and efficient Yoga Sculpt workout today. Then we interlace the fingers back, stretch here, and we open the chest. And slowly we turn and we move into our first extended child's pose. Toes together, knees apart, really stretching the arms forward, relaxing our forehead on the mat, on the floor, and just taking a few deep breaths in here. Breathing in and out through the nose, relaxing the whole body, letting go of all thoughts. Just focusing on the breathing. Slowly move the arms towards the right side, stretching more the left side of the body. And just stay in the same position. Slowly we move the arms towards the other side. We come back to the center and we slowly lift up to all fours in a tabletop position, making sure we have our wrists, elbows and shoulders in line and the knees and hip in line. And from here we're going to do the cat and cow stretch for 8 times. Inhaling, lengthening the spine, taking the bum out, stretching the neck. Exhaling, rounding the spine, bringing the belly button inside. Inhale, lengthen the spine, lengthen the neck. Exhale, rounding the spine. 3, 4, 5, 6, really lengthening the back, taking the bum out. 7, keeping the core engaged as well. And 8. And from here, we come back to a neutral position. So keeping the belly button inside, not taking the bum out, but not rounding, just neutral here. And we're gonna inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bring the arm down and stretch the shoulder as well. And we stay here for a little bit. Slowly lifting up and we change the side. Inhaling, lifting up. Exhaling, bringing the arm underneath, really stretching here the shoulder as well, the upper back. Slowly lifting up halfway, and this time we're going to lift up in a downward dog. This is a great posture to really stretch and strengthen the back. And here we just bend the knees. 1, 2, 3. Pressing down through the palms. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We really stretch here. And 4 times we're going to come into a plank, slowly lifting back in a downward dog. Plank, 2, hamstrung, downward dog. 3, downward dog, last one. 4, downward dog. And we slowly lower the knees from the plank, relax. Relax the upper body as well. We bring the palms a little bit in front of the shoulders. We take a deep inhale and we stretch. Slowly, we relax, we lower down. We bring the arms in a Y, V, however you want to call it. And from here, looking towards the floor, so we keep our neck and entire column in a straight line. We lift up halfway, we squeeze, and come back, stretching the arms. 1. Inhaling when we stretch, exhale when we bend. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. And we stay here, 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We relax and we slowly go in Extended child's pose, and we stretch here really well the arms, the back, the upper back. Slowly we come back on our belly, and this time we'll do the locust pose. We turn the arms, and once we inhale, we lift up both arms and legs, engaging the whole body. All the muscles are strong. Let's go. We stay here, 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we relax. Slowly we go back to extended child's pose, stretching the arms. If you want, you can even do just the child's pose with the arms next to your legs, whatever you prefer. And slowly lifting up halfway. And this time we're gonna do either the full camel pose. So that means that we lift up halfway. You can start, if you want, with putting your palms on your thighs, and then just slowly go back as you can. Or you can grab the heels and just stay here, or you can just stretch one side and then the other side. Let's do 4 times the side-by-side little stretches, but we're gonna do this way. 1, a little circle. And we change the side. 2. We come back down, little circle. We come back, 2 more. Another side. And now, if you feel ready, we do the full camel pose for 8 seconds. So we grab the ankles or the heels and slowly opening the chest, looking back, staying here. Slowly lifting up, rolling the shoulders back and sitting down in a comfortable seated position. Rolling again the shoulders 4 times, 3 and 4. This time bringing one arm on top of the opposite knee, the other one back supporting the spine. We inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, looking on top of the back shoulder. And we slowly change the side. Other arm opposite knee, inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, looking on top of the back shoulder. Slowly bringing the fingers together, interlacing, really stretching here, the upper back, lifting up, bringing arms back, stretching all the way, opening the chest. Rolling the shoulders back, bringing the palms in front of the heart center, starting to create a little bit more heat and great energy, and bringing all this good energy towards the heart center in a sign of gratitude for our health, for our body, for everything in our life, for all the blessings. Always remembering that the more grateful we are for what we already have experienced, and the more we count our blessings, the more blessings we attract and receive into our lives. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, and always make sure that you check your posture. Whenever you find yourself like this, rolling the shoulders back, abs strong, and you do this workout, and you'll see how good you're gonna feel and look. See you soon. Kisses and good vibes. Thank you so much for joining me.